نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This is our lesson number 17. In this lesson we will read Muqatta'at letters. This lesson is quite easy. Muqatta'at letters are found at the start of some surah of the Holy Qur'an. Pronounce these letters individually in such a way that the maddat are stretched properly. As you know, mad means stretch or to extend, and we already read the meaning of mad is stretch. There are two reasons for mad. First one is Hamza and the second one is Sukoon. There are 6 types of mad. Number 1, mad muttasil. Number 2, mad munfasil. Number 3, mad lazim. Number 4, mad leen lazim. Number 5, mad aris. And number 6, mad leen aris. And also do nasalization with ikhfa and idgham occur. There are 2 ways to recite alif lam mim Allahu. It is wasal joining. And the second one is waqf. Alif lam mim Allahu. Let's jump to our lesson. Look at the first one. Sad, Qaf, Noon, Taha, Yasin, Tasin, Hamim, Alif Lam Ra, Alif Lam Mim Ra. We will do gunna on Mim mushaddada. Hamim, Ain Sin Qaf, Tasim Mim. Gunna on Mim mushaddada. Alif Lam Mim Sad. Gunna on Mim mushaddada. Alif Lam Mim Allahu. Same like here. Gunna on Mim mushaddada. Kaf Ha Ya Ain Sad. Let's start our Hadith series. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, إِنَّ الَّذِي لَيْسَ فِي جَوْفِهِ شَيْءٌ مِّنَ الْقُرْآنِ كَالْبَيْتِ الْخَرِبِ. A person who does not have any Qur'an in his heart is like an empty house.